No, 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 no.
What time I want to see my face?
She's so funny. Hi everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, MomN Studio. Today I am doing makeup for my mommy.
Last time I did makeup for her, that you can see in the below description box. So please watch that also. If you missed that, the day itself she is saying, I also want to do makeup for you, Mama. She is so excited. You can see that from her face. After this makeup, I don't know.
No, no, no,
My
no.
makeup with her own makeup box. So let's watch how she is doing it. So let's start.
So let's watch, guys. And here one.
You can see no one crying.
It's so amazing, Mom.
Now I want to see my face. Any extra makeup needed, I will tell her. Wait. What?
Here. Okay, Ma.
Actually lipstick, it's more. All other is perfect. This mascara you can see here. What what I will say. Actually, I can't say anything. You can see here. So you just comment down how was my makeup.
Wait guys, just this.
One more time I want to see my face.
She's so funny.
Actually, Shreya, it's very nice.
Oh no, I know Mom, but that's bit big.
Do you think this makeup looks good?
No Mom.
Now you can see my face. How horrible.